River, are you excited? You have won. Freaking pooch. That's not for you. Just kidding, it is. Are you excited? You won a trip, a full grooming trip. Yeah. Let's go. You are. Boy's going for a grooming session, his first one ever. River, come here. Very, very hairy, kind of smelly. Are you ready, buddy? Yes, that means yes. You good boy. Okay, I'm gonna do before, a little video of him, okay? Okay? Four. Yes, you're so handsome. You're such a handsome boy. Such a handsome lad. So this place is awesome. Basically, River. This place is called Perk and Pooch, where you basically take your dog in and get coffee while they're getting groomed, and it's supposed to be really good. I've been wanting to take him there for a year, like over a year, and my roommate for Christmas gave me a coupon. My roommate Rika. Are you excited? River, you're so cute. He is so excited. So I'm prepared for them to do a terrible job because I hear that happens a lot. No offense, Perk and Pooch, but I'm gonna ask for a teddy bear look. Oh, you're so cute, River. So we're gonna ask for the teddy bear look, so he'll be still a little bit fluffy, but I'm fully prepared for him to come out fully shaved because that's what happens sometimes. Apparently, it happened to my friends, so I don't want that. So I'm hoping for the best, preparing for the worst. Isn't that right, River? Isn't that right? Are you ready? We're gonna go to the groomer. You've never heard that word before, but you're eager. Oh, so excited. See you guys there. And we're here. Amazing and magic. Ready, buddy? Come on. Let's go. Oh, I was running a little bit late, so we were running a little bit late and it started hailing. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. This is so cool. Are you excited? Are you excited, River? Come on. Come on. Wow.
Hey there.
Hello.
Who are we dropping off?
Off. Good boy.
1 second, okay?
All right, thank you.
Put you right in here.
I have a coupon number.
Okay.
I have a coupon for Perk and Pooch.
Okay, I'll take a look into this because I've never seen one like this.
Oh, no, my roommate designed that. I just wanted to give you the code.
Oh, okay.
I'd like that back.
Okay, you can
Okay.
sit right here and I'm going to put the code in for you, okay?
All right, thank you. What the heck? Oh, you're so fancy, River. Look at you. He's so excited. Come on, River, we need to pick your hair length. Let's see. That's what it is now. That's what it could be. Yeah, look at his hair. Okay, we definitely don't. Hey, River. You are pulling too much, buddy. Okay. Oh, hair. Okay. I think, wait, 3. Wait. I don't
I'm going to
know.
give this back to you right now because
Okay.
I'm going to have my general manager show me how to put in the codes and
Okay,
stuff like
thank you. Cause I don't know anything about that.
that. Okay. All right. Give me this one.
I've never been here before. River, you are pulling way too much, buddy. You're so curious. What do you think, River? You see another doggy? Yeah. River, I need to figure out your hair length, so calm down. Calm down. River, I didn't know you'd be gone for 5 hours when you didn't even eat breakfast. They didn't tell me that. They'd keep you in a kennel. I don't want that for you. We're gonna figure it out, buddy. But I don't want to do this if that's gonna happen. I know, it's exciting. We're gonna see what's on your coupon. We're gonna see what this includes. And then we'll figure it out, buddy. But you didn't eat breakfast, and 4 or 5 hours is a long time for you to wait for breakfast. I know, you were excited. We're gonna talk to the manager, River. Okay, River, so manager said, River, that you can have food. I'm gonna bring you back some food so you'll have a good time, and I'm bringing you back some treats and some toys. Yeah. So I think this will work out if we can do that. So I'll leave him here, come back with treats and toys, and then he'll have a better time. What do you think? What do you think? He's so excited. He's really excited. River, it's coming. Are you so excited? River, can you back up, please? I know, thank you. He's so excited. Have fun, buddy. And I'm gonna take those?
Yes, I'm gonna give you all of his stuff.
Okay.
Just so we don't, you'd be surprised. I'm gonna attach it though, that way you don't lose both.
Thank
There
you.
you go, Mom. All right, and then we'll see you back in just a little bit with his food or treats or whatever.
Okay. Thank you.
And I'm gonna hold on to this and we'll put your name on it, and then I'm gonna attach it to your file, that way it's on there, and then you can use
Okay.
your remaining balance whenever.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. All right, kiddo, you ready?
Bye, River. Do I just...
Yeah, you pull out.
Okay. Bye, River.
All right, Mom, we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, bye, thank you. Okay, thanks. Oh my God. Hey, so coffee's over there?
We'll send somebody in to take care of you this minute.
Well, I'll come back. We gotta give him food and stuff. Thank you. I am so nervous. He's never been in a kennel before. Well, no, he has for the vet, and he still had a lovely time there. But I was so freaking nervous to leave him. So I have to get his food, and I have to get his toys, and I'm coming back. But I'm so sad to leave him. Like, I want to be there the whole time, and I can't. But he's really, really cute, and I'm so excited to see what he looks like afterwards. I really hope they do a good job and that he has fun. That's what's important. I'm gonna go get his food, get some toys, and then come right back. Update, I got River his toys and his bone, and I got a coffee. So we're good. Now I'm gonna have a board meeting with Acton United, and I'll see you guys soon. Done with my meeting. I'm so excited to see what River looks like. Oh, I hope he looks like a brand new boy. Are you excited? I'm excited. I forgot his Tupperware, so I have to go back inside and get it. He's peeing. What a good boy. He looks very clean. I'm very pleased. Not super pleased. I have to look at his face some more because he does not have that teddy bear look like I wanted. But that's okay. I guess it's fine. It's fine. But they did his back, the back of, oh, look at his little paws. Oh, River, good boy. Come on, let's get your Tupperware. Let's get it back. They did the rest of his body exactly like I wanted. River, where are you going? And I like how they did his ears. I need to get a better look at his face to see the teddy bear look if they accomplish that. Because his snoot is very thin. He has a thin snoot. Oh, he's so cute. I think they did it. Hey, River, eyes on me? Eyes on me? Eyes on me? Look up here. I mean, they kind of did it. The front, it's very short, so I don't know. If they left the front towards his nose a little thicker, if they left it thicker, then I think it would have been more of the teddy bear look I'm looking for. But meh. They did a pretty good job with the body, so I'm glad they didn't just shave him down. So that's very good. Hey, buddy. Ready to go home? I'll get your Tupperware inside, but you have to stay out here for a little bit. River, you are so soft. You are so soft, River. You are so cute. They gave him a complimentary bandana. Oh, my boy. You are so cute and soft. And I love you. Ah. I love you so much. River, you're so cute. Are you happy? I love how they did your ears. River, you are so handsome. You're so handsome, River. Oh. One day I might just tell them to keep a mustache on him. That might be hilarious. And you're so pretty. Look at your cute little ears. Oh. River, do you know how cute you are? Do you know how cute you are, River? You're so cute. You're so cute. You're such a good boy, River. Your little eyes, your cute little face, and your teeth. Oh, tired boy. It's been a big day. It's been a big day. Oh, I can't get over how soft he is. He's so soft, good boy. Wow. So soft. Such a boy. Look at his nose. River. Oh, you look so pretty. What a handsome lad. What a handsome lad you are. Other way. There you go. You're a good boy. Boy. River. River. Hi. Hi. River, look at me. Yes. Good boy, River. I know, he's so handsome.
He's so fluffy.
You're such a good boy.
You're so
River.
His ears, they're so much shorter.
Yes, River.
They're so much shorter. He's like, I can see you now. My eyebrows are not blocking my vision.
Oh. He's so good. And he was happy, which is what I really wanted. I didn't want him to leave looking traumatized.
Right.
River. He's silly.
And I assume they also gave him a manicure and
I'll have to do your nails today,
ears.
River.
I can't get over what.
I've never put my finger in his eye before, but that just happened.
I've done
He
it a
was
couple
fine.
times because he flails and he just kerplunks his face into my ears.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that perfectly
Such a
trimmed
handsome
mustache.
And they gave him a bandana. What happened to it?
It's still
It's
there.
still there, yeah.
It's just
Silly.
it's
Still a mess, River. Are you happy? Yep, he's happy. Yeah, look at your toys.
shorter his ears are.
I know. You're a good boy. Yes. You're so pretty. Get your eye, Booker. Excuse me. Let me get it. Yes. You look so pretty. He is so beautiful. Look at that angle. They got his little paws all neat and tidy. What a dapper man. So good. Such a good boy. All right, let's do before and after. River, come here. Sit. Oh, look at you. He's a thirsty boy.
Polo is exhausted because Majesty, only Polo, can take this and give you
A princess.
Oh, look at you. Good boy, you found your treat. Good boy. Are you happy? He looks very happy. Good boy. Alright, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really, really, really helps the channel. And it's just one thing you can do to bless you, River. Just one more thing you can do to make sure I can give River a good life. And you're really liking that, aren't you? You're such a good boy, River. River. He's eating it on top of my head. It kind of hurts, buddy. I'm moving. Oh. You're the best, River. You're the best friend and the fluffiest boy. You're the bestest boy in the world. The bestest friend. Yeah. Oh, God. Ah! He's like, did I do that? You're okay. I'm not hurt. I was just surprised. Oh! You gonna finish your treat? Where are you going? Where are you going? You wanna go finish your treat? Really? Hi! I love you. I love him. Oh, God. I love him so much. Before, boy. Yeah. River before. Wait. Back up, back up. Sit. Before. Yes, you're so handsome. You're such a handsome boy. Such a handsome lad. I love you so much. Yes, before. Are you excited? Come here. Oh, you good boy. You good boy. You good boy. Remember, the people need to see your face. Yes. Very hairy boy. Dream, believe, achieve.